Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 16, our very last week of freshman composition. It's been just a wonderful semester, and this presentation is going to go over week 16 as well as finals week. So just a little reminder, your annotated bibliography, you're going to finish that up this week, and your podcast is due Tuesday of finals week. Here is your course schedule, and you can see that I put finals week as well as week 16 all on one page. So you're already doing your overview. Check that off. And then you're going to have your annotated bibliography requirements as well as your podcast requirements that are due coming up. So first of all, let's look at your annotated bibliography. You handed in one entry last week, and you should be getting, or you should have gotten by now, who knows, your feedback for that one entry. Check that out and make sure that you're doing it right. That's why I wanted to look at that one entry, just to make sure that you're on the right track so you didn't do 10 entries incorrectly. So that is your big task for this week, is to get at least 10 entries all the way done. Make sure your MLA citations are correct. Make sure your summary is brief and perfect, and make sure that your justification tells me why this source that you chose helps you win your argument that you're going to be doing for your podcast. How does it support your argument? That's what I want to know for the justification. Make sure to have that grading sheet out while you're doing this so you know exactly what is expected of you, and that is due on Friday. The next thing that you're going to be working on is your draft 2 of your podcast rhetorical analysis worksheet. Now, not everybody has to do a draft 2. If you handed in a draft 1 that was exemplary, you spent a lot of time on it, you made sure that you didn't have any holes in your argument, and it was all pretty well complete last week for draft 1, then I did not give you a note that you had to do draft 2. If yours wasn't quite done, if it had some holes, if I had lots of questions, then I am requiring that you do a draft 2. After you do your draft 2, I will also revise your grade for this. So there's a new assignment folder for this rhetorical analysis worksheet. You can hand it in right there, and I'm looking forward to seeing those. So this again is a draft. And your podcast, along with your podcast, you're going to turn in a final copy of your podcast rhetorical analysis worksheet. And that will also be due on Tuesday of finals week. So if you're having to do draft 2, you're actually going to be doing 3 drafts of this. If you didn't have to do a draft 2, you're going to be doing 2 drafts of this. All right. So with that, thank you. It has been such a wonderful, wonderful semester. I've gotten to meet many of you who have come to my office, and I've gotten to meet you and talk with you. I've gotten to work with you with some of your papers, which is my favorite thing to do. Please make sure that you come and see me if you're having any trouble with this. For my face-to-face class, I require a conference for this, so I'm not requiring that of you because I can't, but just know that I expect that you come and see me about this. This is a big project. It's 20% of your grade, and so you can absolutely come and see me and bring your rhetorical analysis worksheet and bring all your stuff and let me see it, and we can chat and make sure that you're on the right track. So just email me and set up a time if you would like. I just have had so much fun with you guys this semester. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful break. And there's a C.S. Lewis quote here that's beautiful. This is, Jan actually shared this with me, and it's just so wonderful. There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. So I hope that everything that you have ahead of you is wonderful. Good luck. And remember, you're always my student, no matter what. So if you ever need anything or need help or advice, feel free to contact me. Come see me. email me, whatever. I've really enjoyed you this semester. Have a great break.